We probably won't even need four-wheel drive today.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Although there are a couple of places we can get off and look around.
Oh, I suppose, yeah, there's probably some side trails, but...
Yeah. Now they got posts in the center of all of these, but they've taken them off. But their base is still there.
That could be bad.
Yeah.
Be hard on the tire.
Yeah, and they're probably just high enough to give the skid plate a fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's probably not much give to those posts.
No.
This is a narrow bridge.
Yeah, they're all narrow.
Can't see a lot of side-by-sides fitting through there.
Yeah, it'd be pretty damn close.
Yeah, there's some of the smaller ones will fit through, but not the big ones that they make a lot of them now.
Yeah. But you have to wonder, like, why, what's the purpose of them? They're so big you can't get them in the woods, around trails in the woods and such.
Well, I think Nova Scotia is one of the worst places for doing that kind of thing. There's a lot of places that they're not a problem.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe if you just used it around your property for a work vehicle, but otherwise,
Well, I mean, there's a lot of trails in the States, too. I mean, the whole standard at one time was a 52-inch width.
Okay.
And that's what the trails were made for.
Yeah.
And that's the purpose behind a lot of it, is because that's what the trails were made for. Even some of those, like the big Can-Ams and stuff like that, those, the more racy ones, they barely fit on these trails, so there's definitely no way to have two-way traffic.
Yeah.
And that becomes the problem, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If we encounter another ATV or a small side-by-side or a horse or whatever, there's room for us to pass respectfully.
Yeah.
But if you're taking up 80 or 90% of the trail because of your size, that isn't going to work.
No.
Yeah, so this actually it makes a pretty good place for cross-country skiing, too.
Yeah,
Although
it would.
These holes are getting to be a bit of a drag.
Yeah, it'll take a pretty good dump of snow to level everything off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're good for like 2 or 3 days a year.
Yeah. But they're just that they're fixing up that area, which was really crappy, so maybe they've got some more funds to, kind of work through here. Okay.
Well, but that was money well spent, because that was just getting worse and worse. And it was coming from your driveway. So.
Yeah, right. So.
They just reused the culvert, so it's good. It's just the armor stone.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that, though.
No.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. When I sell the land, I'd be like, oh, see, they got a lovely exit right onto the trail.
So what river is this, Gord?
I'm not sure. What is it?
Yeah. I don't know. It might...
We'll have to look it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think it's very big. But, there you go. Looks like water down there. Yeah. I'll have to look it up. It's so nice when the wind doesn't blow, right? It makes it all so much easier to get a take a picture of this scenery along the way.
I wonder if they'll expand these bridges. I mean, they have the room on the bridge to do it.
Could be. But, yeah, I mean, you can see that side-by-sides have scraped these.
Yeah. A gorgeous view, though.
I can't see much right at the moment.
No. Okay.
And so, yeah,
Yeah.
Richard and Debbie are just down that way a bit, eh?
No, they're down there.
How far are
On
they?
that side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, they're on the other side?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is Belleville, right?
Oh, right, yeah.
So that would be, yeah.
Okay, that's where we inquired about that piece of land then.
Yep.
Okay.
It's off this trail somewhere.
Okay, yeah. Huh.
There was no legal access.
Yeah.
That's something I don't understand about Nova Scotia, because they say it's illegal to have landlocked, like you can't have landlocked land, but yet there's so much of it that is.
Yeah, right. Yes. That's... Yep. Yep.
Well, I'm guessing we're not the only ones out for a nice ride today.
Yeah.
It's a great day for it. Look,
by, in memorial to somebody.
Yeah.
Still, it's nice to have, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They wouldn't be cheap to put up.
No.
But they're also substantial enough that they don't get
Vandalized or stolen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you wouldn't be throwing that on your back.
No.
Oh. What's that?
That's a deer head.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lots of geese. Oh my. So many geese.
Look at the size of that beaver head out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not.
It's further out, Andrew.
Oh, okay, I see it now. I was looking in the total wrong place.
Yeah.
That's pretty big.
Yeah.
It's a good size one.
And some ducks.
Lots of water here.
Yeah.
Yep.
What's that there?
There.
What was it? A water tower?
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the top.
Yeah. Yeah, this is... Yeah, this is not very wide, right?
Yeah, really. Yeah, there is a whole random cowboy about this part.
Yeah, no kidding.
Nice spot though, right next to the water.
Yeah.
Yep.
Go 3 times as far and up and down.
Heh. know what our destination is, or are we just driving?
Yeah, no, we don't really have a destination.
Okay. No,
Other
just
than sort of this spot where you're right next to the water, where it's kind of picturesque.
Ah.
But beyond that, but you're thinking probably flat things might be a good idea with these bearings, eh, Jeff?
I think replacing them as soon as we can is a real good plan, Gord.
Yeah.
The problem is the bearings go when you're riding too. You can destroy all your spindles.
Yeah.
And that gets real expensive.
Well, you guys will just have to come up and get the bearings done and then have to take it for a test drive on the mountain with us.
Yeah. Sounds like a plan.
It's interesting fencing.
What's that?
That fencing. I said it was interesting fencing.
Another walker route. Yeah, there's some breeze over here.
Yep.
Yeah. Probably be a little breezier on the way back in our face.
Yeah.
There's a couple windmills over there.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a little more money in West Pubnico than East Pubnico.
At least during good lobster years.
Yeah. Wait, this is like the driveway down.
Yeah.
You wouldn't want to slide and keep going.
Almost looks like somebody's wanting to put a boat launch in or something.
What would that have been, Jeff?
What?
To the right there. Is that some sort of wharf or something?
It was at one time, yeah.
Looks kind of beat up.
Yeah, that's one thing about the ocean.
Yeah.
It'll take it back. Well, most of the earth is that way anyway.
True enough.
It looks like they might still use it for some.
Looking at that pipe in the water.
Well, I was looking at how nice that little beach was.
Well, yeah, I was too, and then I saw the pipe.
Yeah, wonder
Is
what's
there yeah, there's a side-by-side behind us.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh. Maybe we'll let them go by.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe just pull over to the side a little bit and let them...
Looks like we got a good spot up here.
Okay.
He's hanging way back, I don't know.
Well, at least give them the option.
Oh, then again, maybe it's not. It's just it's just slowed to the edge.
Yeah, it's kind of, if you went where the bushes are, you'd end up rolling in the water, I think.
I think he might have turned around.
Oh, really?
Or well, he's way back anyway. I don't know if he stopped or turned around or what. So I wouldn't worry about it right now. I'll try to keep an eye out.
Oh, shit, that's kind of neat. That looks like somebody camped. Yep.
Maybe somebody built a little